In this video, you'll learn how to embed Jira in Notion. By following these steps, you will successfully integrate your Jira projects into your Notion workspace, allowing for seamless project management. Begin by navigating to Notion.so in your web browser. Once you reach the Notion homepage, ensure you are logged into your account. If prompted, enter your credentials to access your workspace. After successfully accessing Notion, click on any blank space within your workspace. This action allows you to create a new block where you will embed the Jira link. Next, open a new tab and go to Jira.com. Ensure you are logged into your Jira account. If you are not signed in, enter your credentials to access the appropriate projects. Now, choose the specific project you want to share from your Jira dashboard. This is important because only the selected project will be embedded in Notion. Once you've selected the project, locate and click on the Share button, which is typically found in the project settings or at the top right corner of the project view. This will open sharing options for the project. In the sharing options menu, click on Copy Link. This action will copy the project link to your clipboard, allowing you to easily paste it into Notion. Return to your Notion workspace and click on the blank space where you intend to embed the Jira project. This ensures you're ready to insert the link. Type in /Jira and you will see a drop-down menu appear. This menu includes options related to Jira integration within Notion. Select the option labeled Jira. After selecting Jira, you will be prompted to paste the link you copied earlier. Paste the link into the designated field to proceed with the embedding process. Next, click on the link button to confirm the addition of the Jira project. This action will initiate the embedding of the project within your Notion page. Click on a blank space again to ensure that the embedded link is correctly formatted within your Notion workspace. This step is crucial for proper display. If you encounter a message indicating unrecognized URL, it may be due to a lack of a Notion subscription. Ensure your account is appropriately set up to use this feature. Once you have resolved any subscription issues, click on a blank space once more. This will help you finalize the placement of the embedded link. Type in the link you copied from Jira earlier into the designated area again. This step is necessary to ensure the link is correctly entered into Notion. Now, click on Sync Jira Projects and Issues. This action will begin the synchronization process linking your Jira projects with Notion. After that, click on Sync with Jira to establish a connection between the two platforms. This is vital for keeping your project information updated. Next, click on Connect Jira to sync projects and issues. This integration step is essential for ensuring that updates in Jira reflect in Notion. If you wish to utilize automated status updates, click on Get the Business Plan to explore subscription options that enable this feature. Proceed by clicking on Upgrade Now if you choose to enhance your subscription for better integration capabilities. This step will guide you through the upgrade process. To finalize your subscription upgrade, click on Upgrade to the Business Plan. This action will prompt payment options tailored for enhanced features. You will then be given the choice to pay monthly or pay annually. Select your preferred payment plan to complete the subscription process. This concludes the tutorial on embedding Jira in Notion. Thank you for watching and we hope to see you in the next tutorial.